Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 3, playing with numbers. In that, exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1. First question. The question is given: which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, by 3 and by 6? The question is, which of the following numbers are divisible by 2, comma, by 3 and by 6. So before going to discuss this problem, I just want to quickly revise what we learnt about divisibility rule 2, divisibility rule 3 and divisibility rule 6. We know divisibility rule 2. While we are going to check this rule, divisibility rule 2, any number it unit place digit. Any number, you take any number, it ones place digit or unit place digit. Either should be it should be end with either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. It should be divisible by 2. Already we know that. What Nana? If any number is divisible by 2, okay na, the unit place digit of a given number, it should be either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. If out of 5 digits lo edaina oka number ones place lo unte, it should be divisible by 2. And like that only divisibility rule 3. What is the condition for checking divisibility rule 3? If any number is divisible by 3, the sum of the digits of a number, you take any number, for example 1 or 2, it is a number, you just add the digits. Sum of the digits means that is 1 plus 0 plus 2. By adding the digits we get what Nana? Their sum is equals to 3. It is divisible by 3. The sum of the digits of a number is 3. It is divisible by 3. And 3 తో divisible అవుతుందా? Yes, 3 ones are 3. So the given number also, ante 1 or 2 also divisible by 3. So if any number is divisible by 3, the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the given number also divisible by 3. And coming to the next, divisibility by 6. Divisibility rule 6. A number which is exactly divisible by both 2 and 3. A number which is exactly divisible by both 2 and 3. Okay na? It should be divisible by 6. Is it clear Nana? A number which is exactly divisible by both 2 and 3. After 2 తో divisible కావాలి and as well as 3 తో కూడా divisible కావాలి. Then it is automatically divisible by 6. Okay na? For example, ఒక చిన్న taking 12. The ones place digit is 2. Yes, it is divisible by 2. And by adding the digits, 1 plus 2, that is equals to 3. The sum of the digits are 3. 3 ones are 3. Then it is also divisible by 3. It is divisible by both 2 and 3. Then the number 12, it is exactly divisible by 6 also. 6 2s are 12. Okay na? Now see, by using these three rules, I am going to solve the problems. It is better to write the table. Numbers here divisible by divisible by divisible by 2, and next sum of the digits, sum of the digits divided by 3 divided by 6. Okay na students, so this is the required table now, no? First of all we have to write the numbers, then divisible by 2, okay na, divided by 2, next sum of the digits, again divided by 3 divided by 6. The numbers are given 3,21,729. This is the first number, and the second number is given 1,97,232, and the third number is given 1,17,90,000, 17,90,184, and the next number is given 3,12,792, and 4,335. So this is one of the number. So I taken some of the numbers from this question. I'm going to check which are divisible by 2, divisible by 3, divisible by 6. Okay, so let us discuss Nana. The number 3,21,729, which is divisible by 2? No, because of the unit place digit is 9. Okay now, if a number is divisible by 2, the unit place digit should be either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So your unit place digit is 9, that's why it is not divisible. Next, check the sum of the digits of a number. What are the sum of the digits of a number? 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 7 plus 2 plus 9. So 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 7 that is 13, 13 plus 2 15, 15 plus 9 that is 24. 24 means it is divisible by 3. 3 8s are 24. Yes, it is divisible by 3. But for divisibility rule 6, a number is divisible by both 2 and 3 na. But the number is not divisible by 2, but it is divisible by 3. So according to the condition, it should be divisible by both 2 and 3. That's why it is not divisible by 6. Okay. Next, coming to the next number. What is the ones place digit? The ones place digit of a number that is 1,97,232. This is a number. The ones place digit is 2. Okay. It should be divisible by 2. Then check the sum of the digits of a number, that are 1 plus 9 plus 7 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 7 17, 17 plus 2 19, 19 plus 3 22, 22 plus 2 24. 24 means the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3. 3 8s are 24. So the number 1,97,232, it is divisible by 3. A number which is divisible by both 2 and 3, then automatically it is also divisible by 6 according to the divisibility rule 6. Now the next number 17,90,184. What is the unit digit number? The ones place number is 4. Yes, the unit place digit is 4. It should be divisible by 2. Then check the sum of the digits of a number. 1 plus 7 plus 9 plus 0 plus 1 plus 8 plus 4. What we get? 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 9, that is 17, plus 0, 17, plus 1, 18, 18 plus 6, 18 plus 8, that is 26, 26 plus 4, that is what, Nana? 26 plus 4, 30. 30 means 3 tens are 30. 3 tens are 30. So it is also divisible by 3. A number which is divisible by both 2 and 3, it should be divisible by 3. Okay, now? And like that only, check the another number. That is 3,12,792. The ones place digit number is 2, then it should be divisible by 2. The sum of the digits of a number, that is 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 7 plus 9 plus 2, that is equals to 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 7 13, 13 plus 9 22 plus 2 24, 24, that is 3 8s are 24. The sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then it is also divisible by 3. The given number also divisible by 3. A number which is divisible by both 2 and 3, it should be divisible by 6. Now coming to the next number, the unit place digit of a number 4335. The unit place digit number, the unit place digit of a given number is 5, which is not divisible by 2. And the sum of the digits of a number, that are 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 5 15. 15 is divisible by 3, 3 5s are 15. Then it is also the whole number also divisible by 3, but it is not divisible by 6 according to the rule, which is divisible by both 2 and 3. It is not divisible by 2, but it is divisible by 2, so then automatically it is not divisible by 6. So like this we can check the divisibility rule 2, 3 and 6. Okay students? Now okay students, now see the next question. The question is given, which of the following numbers are divisible by 10, by 2, by 5? This is the question. Already I said divisible to by 2, and let us revise divisible by 10 and divisible by 5. What is the rule for divisibility? Rule 10. Any number, if it is divisible by 10, the unit place digit means the ones place digit should be 0. Okay? Any number is divisible by 10, the unit place digit means ones place digit should be 0. And for example, 270, the ones place digit is 0. That's why it is divisible by 10. Already you know divisibility rule 2. The ones place digit should be either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. For divisibility rule 5, any number you take its ones place digit either should be 0 or 5. The ones place digit of a number either 0 or 5, it should be divisible by 5. Now see some numbers here which are divisible by the ones place digit of a number is what done here? 5. It is divisible by 10? No. If any number is divisible by 10, its ones place digit should be 0. But here ones place digit is 5. It is also not divisible by 2 because of ones place digit is 5. 2 की condition enti either 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. It should be in the place of unit place. Yeah, it should divisible by 5 because of ones place digit is 5. Next here also same, ones place digit is 5. It is not divisible by 10. It is not divisible by 2, but it is divisible by 5. So ones place digit is 0. Yes, it is divisible by 10. It is also divisible by 2. It is also divisible by 5 because of it should ones place digit is 0. It is divisible by 10. అండ్ ఇక్కడ 2 అకార్డింగ్ టు కండిషన్ 2లో కూడా ఐదర్ 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 కదా. సో 0 ఉంటే ఓకే. అండ్ 0 means 1's place digit is 0 means it is also divisible by 5. That is the condition. And again the number 1250, the 1's place digit of a number is 0 means it is divisible by 10, divisible by 2, divisible by 5. Next, these two numbers are 1's place digit is this. For these two numbers 1's place digit is 5 only, that's why it is not divisible by 10 and it is divisible by 5. So like this we can check divisibility by 10 and divisibility rule 5. Okay na? And as well as 2 also. You to take different numbers and apply the rules. Divisibility rule 3, divisibility rule 3, 2, 6, 5, 10. Okay students? Thank you.